Welcome to CurePay. So today we're going to go over some basics. We're going to talk about setting a trading pair active. We're going to talk about simulating a trading pair. We're going to talk about adding a new trading pair. And lastly, I'm going to show a little bit difference between the basic and pro elite subscription. So let's jump right in and get started. So first, this is a basic account. This is not hooked to an exchange, or you would see my portfolio balance here and graph and some holdings, which there's nothing. Up here, you get a nice little message that says you have 4 trading pairs left. So the basic subscription comes with 5 trading pairs. We always add 1 trading pair, the Bitcoin USD trading pair, just so you know. I cannot stress enough this help section. Make sure you review this, educate yourself on the system because it is complicated, but it's easy to use. And if you don't educate yourself, you can make some mistakes, or the AI may do some trades, buys or sells that you didn't intend to do if you don't know what you're doing. So make sure you review this in detail. These videos are here for help to kind of speed up that process, but let's jump right in. So here's the first trading pair we add for you, Bitcoin USD. So you'll hear us talk about trading pairs. It's just like currency. Bitcoin is the base currency. USD is your to currency. So you'll be using USD to buy Bitcoin. Over here, if you can see trading active, that means it's active, it's trading, and here it's live, right? So that means it's actively trading. So if I go in here, this is the basic view. So you have limited settings on the basic subscription. With the Pro Elite, which I'll show in a little bit, you have a lot more options on how to adjust this. But when you add a trading pair, we advise you to always put it on simulate trade only for a couple hours before you just leave it on trading active, because every trading pair you add creates a new AI instance. So it starts learning the market, aggregating data to make decisions. It's using your settings to make decisions. It's using your balance, so on and so forth. So it's really important you just don't go right in and start trading. So when you save, you'll get this message that says trading pair successful. So super important. Again, so when you first add a trading pair, put simulate trade only, leave it for a couple hours, and then you come back, take it off, save, and then that trading pair will be trading actively on the exchange. So let's look at adding a new trading pair. So up here, I'll click additional trading pairs. This feeds directly from the exchange. These are trading pairs that are listed on your exchange. So I'm just going to go ahead and add Bitcoin Cash to USD. So it's on simulate trade only. I'm going to trade active to add it to my trading pairs that I'm watching, that I'm simulating, right? And then so the AI can start to learn. So I'm going to save that. These are default settings. So we give you kind of the default, and this is kind of conservative, but you can adjust these as you want, min, max gain, max loss, so on and so forth. So play with these, to fit your strategy, so on and so forth. But I will go into those by setting in more detail in a future video. So going back to trading pairs, you can see this trading pair was added, Bitcoin Cash to USD. It's currently on simulation. So after it learns a couple hours, I'm going to go back in, take this off, simulate trade off. You get a message, just talks about, hey, make sure you check your settings as to what you want it to be. And I'll click OK and hit save. Go back to trading pairs. Now this one is trading active too as well. It would say live. If it wasn't live, it would say simulated. So let's go in and I'll show you just real quickly a Pro Elite account. So here's an Elite account. There's no message because Elite account has unlimited trading pairs. This is hooked to an exchange. So as you can see here, these are the trading pairs that I have, and it shows the balances in coin, the current rate, and the value of my portfolio. And then it sums it up down here. And here's the graph that kind of talks. Here you can see this correction. So it actually performed, it's a good picture because we just had a correction day and it performed better than the market. I think originally it was at 80%, dropped down to, or I'm sorry, it was 80,000, 81,000, dropped down to about 60,000. So a much less correction than the market. So that's the whole point of AVP. So let's just jump right into the trading pairs. And as you can see here, these are the trading pairs. I have one that's live and the rest are simulated. But what I really want to show you is the difference in the settings. So you have more advanced settings. You need to have, some technical knowledge on trading to use these settings, but just quickly, just wanted to kind of show you the differences between the settings between the basic and the Pro Elite. The Pro Elite get the basics, get the same settings as an Elite. They just get less global actions, and we'll go over the global actions later. So again, thank you for joining CurePay. Looking forward to your journey, learning with us. Please, if you have any feedback or need support, contact us at support at curepay.net. And we have that email plastered all over the website. Thank you. Have a great day.